Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll always be informed of all my eyeshadow makeup tutorials as well as my first impressions. So today I'm going to head over to the pool anyways and get a little crispy, little kiss by sun. So I'm going to show y'all what I do when I go to the pool to prepare my skin for the sun. Also, this I believe would be considered a true makeup, no makeup look, because everybody wants to look great when they're out by the pool, but you don't want to get out there when it's hot and humid and sweating half your face off. So I'm going to show you how you can accomplish a clean, natural, no makeup look, and your skin will still look great. So first we're going to go in with this facial spray. It's got aloe, cucumber, and green tea in it. I believe it's called Mario Badus. So I'll go ahead and I'll spray my face down if I don't eat it first. And while that kind of dries on, I also like to go in after that with Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. And it's very lightweight and it's 100+ SPF. I always use the max because I say what the heck. The more the merrier. Or the more the better. So I like to go in with that, and I also like to use 100% aloe vera gel. Just a little bit in with the sunscreen. I like to go against gravity when I put any type of moisturizing products on my skin. So that's why I smooth it upwards. You always want to get that neck too. My mama used to always say, people can tell your age by the backs of your hands and your neck. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go in with Revlon's Color Stay Concealer. And this one's in dark. Hopefully I haven't gotten too dark to where this doesn't match. Stutter and Stanley, good Lord, get it together. So I'm just going to put a little dot on my chickenpox scars. And if I have like any little acne scarring that I haven't faded out yet, I'll go ahead and dot that as well. And one of the things I like about this concealer is if you let it sit for a while, it kind of, how do you explain it? It stays in place, almost as if it's waterproof. Because I know like when I've worn it before and I've gotten really hot and started to sweat, it always stayed in place. So that's a good thing about this. So just gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now while that's sitting, we're just gonna go in with Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara, which this is also waterproof as well. So you're able to get in the pool and swim around as well. So we're just gonna put a little mascara. I always just put it on my top lashes and I leave my bottom lashes. Because we want it to look natural. We don't want anybody to be able to peep that we got makeup on, do we? No. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our little finger and we're just gonna pat this. And then what I have left over on this finger, I just kind of pat it under my eye. I don't really want to put a lot under my eye because I have natural creases that I've had since I was a child. So all it's going to do is cake up in those creases, and that's the last thing I want. And then I like to go in with this Nikki Garrett. And this is my contour and highlight palette. But I really love the way this looks on your skin. It gives you that nice golden glow. So what I'm going to do, let me see if I have a clean brush over here. Take a little fluffy brush and we're going to go in with just a little bit. So we're just going to pat it just a little bit. And just brush the tops, the little cupid bow. Then like a little dot on the nose. And maybe a little streak here. You don't want too much. You just want to look like you've been kissed by the sun. And a little bit here. Then what I really like to do is go in on, if I can pull my bathing suit out the way, take some and hit the collarbone right here. I'm just gonna go in with Revlon's Deep Red. And I really don't, I'm not a big lipstick wearer, but I like to at least have a little color on my lips. So what I do with this is I'll just pat in the center and at the tip of each one of my cupid bows. Take my little finger and kind of just smooth it out. Pat the center a little bit. And here's the look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to look down below in the description box. I will have everything down there that was used. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that way you will never miss any of my videos. And y'all guys have a wonderful day. Mwah.